Is your CrewAI agent going rogue? Are you tired of mysterious errors and black box executions? After watching this tutorial, you'll master CrewAI's new interception points and debugging tools, gaining unprecedented control over your AI agents to fix issues, optimize workflows, and build robust, reliable automations. The problem, why this matters. AI agents often feel like black boxes, making debugging hard. Most users let agents run uncontrolled, leading to unexpected outcomes or wasted resources. CrewAI 1.15.3 and 1.15.5 introduce game-changing control and auditability features. Getting set up. Ensure you're running CrewAI version 1.15.3 or higher. Pip install _upgrade CrewAI. Enable opt-in tool result caching for predictable execution. One gotcha? Incorrectly placed interception points can halt agent progress. Start with simple observation hooks. Core technique, step by step. Step 1. Define an execution boundary interception callback function in your agent config. Step 2. Implement logic within the callback to inspect task results, agent state, or tool output. Step 3. Demonstrate pausing the agent by returning a specific signal, e.g. pause, from the callback. Step 4. Manually inspect and modify agent variables or tool inputs during the paused state. Step 5. Resume agent execution after intervention, showcasing real-time control. Advanced tips and variations. Power user trick 1. Utilize step interception points to observe specific subtask executions without pausing. Power user trick 2. Log per-call usage metrics from kickoff results for detailed cost analysis and optimization. Combination with another tool. Integrate with a custom UI for a visual debugging dashboard. Real-world results. Concrete example output. Debugging a multi-agent research crew that was misinterpreting data, correcting it mid-run. Time/money saved. Prevented a costly erroneous API call by intervening at an interception point. Use cases viewers can try today: build more reliable automated data analysis, customer support, or content generation agents. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.